Morning everybody. Today is Thursday, 3rd of November 2022. So um I got this box from gritomatic. I'm eager to share this with you guys. So I received it last night, so this is my unboxing. Nicely packed with other material also, other item I ordered from gritomatic. So this is just the first impression. Alright, there you go. Can you guys guess it? Can you guys guess what's inside? So this is nicely wrapped, because it's a long journey from States to Malaysia. Excuse the marker on the blade, I just sharpened it. So now using my capstone. Yeah. Now, as you guys know, the channel is about sharpening, so you guys can get it. This is a stone. This is a sharpening stone that I like to try since I lay my eyes on it. Because I saw this in Jeff Jewell channel. This is it. Gritomatic silicon carbide 1000 grit. Oh, nice feel. That's all, guys. Later I want to make a sharpening video using this stone, and my first sharpening will be on this stone, and I'll let you guys know how it feels and what's to expect from this. Alright, see you guys later. Ciao, Suzuki Lo signing out.
Good morning, ladies and gents. We are back at the grinding. So before I start, if you haven't subscribed to the channel. If you like the knife content, if you like sharpening, give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Yeah. So today, as promised, I got this gritomatic silicon carbide 100 grit stone that I want to put to test. I want to sharpen this knife. This knife is actually still sharp, by the way. It's a few weeks back I sharpened this knife on King Neo. So I've been touching up. So as you can see, it is still sharp. I'm gonna dull this for you guys, just for the video, and to see how the performance of the stone compared to the other stone. So I'm gonna dull this with this cheap, I don't know, hardware. I don't know what grit it is, but it's kind of rough. I seem to this cheap stone. I don't know how many grit is this, how much is the grit, but yeah, I use this for dulling a knife basically. So that comes the water just to hydrate the stone. I don't know if you notice it, there's some bubble on top of the stone. Alright, closer. Okay, how's the view? It's good. After dulling the knife, yep, it's dull. It cannot cut any more paper. Yeah, here you can see the reflection already, meaning it's dull. So that's where we can start. to set up the stone correctly. Right. We got this new sound holder. Bought it directly from Japan. By the way, this did not come like this because I drop it. Not I drop it. I drop Spyderco medium stone on it, so it cracked. But it doesn't affect the performance. Or maybe I should switch it to the other side because I already lapped it also. Yeah, let me use this good side. Okay. And if you can see it, there's some like a fingerprint on the side of the stone. I guess when they are producing it, people were touching it to remove it. Here also, here also. Yeah, it's kind of like when you molded bricks or what, there's some fingerprinting on the stone. But don't care as long as the stone is here, and we can start the show. How many minutes already? 3 minutes. Right. Right off the stone. It feels kind of glassy compared to the 800 King Neo, but it's cutting. You see the black swath forming on top of the stone. Yeah, I got a small burr. Side. I don't know because they lap it before sending it out. Kind of, what do you call it? There's some kind of blemish. I mean, I think I need to lap the stone first before you use it. But eventually the top layer will gone after a few sharpening. Right. The screw side. I don't put too much pressure for the sharpening. Let's see what's the result. There's some loading on the stone, but can be removed easily. Sorry, that was my cat. passes. There's burr coming off. I wonder if I find it. Yeah, I think it's clean. Let's wipe it off. And I show you guys the edge produced from the stone. Yeah, quite hazy, but got some shiny reflection. Put there. Let me get some paper. We'll cut this. Fresh paper. There you go. Back a little bit. Woo, nice. Off the stone without stopping. Got some hang up. Oh, sorry, it's not hang up. It's, the blade is wet. Alright. Okay, let's try this one more time. Yeah, right to the tip. There's some hang up. Good. Either part of the blade is okay. Only the tip. Yeah, I can see some. Reflection. Right. Segment the stone, fix it. And fix it. Don't be afraid to go back a step, guys. If you think your sharpening is not ready, I mean, there's some things that you need to fix. Go back to the stone. Plus, you learn something, and you know what your lack of. Next time you're sharpening, you focus on that area. At least you know there's some improvement that can be done to your sharpening. Plus, if you are sharpening a customer's knife, you got to give it your best, right? Yeah, no, yeah, just a couple of swipe, then you're ready. You're ready to move along. After all, you are using only one stone. For me, I'm only using one stone. It's quick and easy. I know, okay. I feel like this knife is kind of crooked. I mean, bent some way. Maybe somebody did movie buy some Korean or whatnot. Yeah, this one is a cheap knife. Yeah, it's thin also. Yeah, I can feel it. At the tip, there's some bending sideways. I like using this one. It's kind of grab the blade as you move onto it. You see the black spot, kind of grabbing the metal blade. So in terms of feedback, this one is much harder than the King Neo. Cutting speed less than the King Neo. Tactile feedback, this one is much better. If you are new to sharpening, I suggest you get this done, because it's hard and slow dishing compared to the King Neo. But if you like the stone to cut fast, get the King Neo. It produces a lot of swath also, and I love that stone because that's the reason I like it. It can knock off burr during sharpening and leave you with a nice finish. But this one is good also compared to King Neo. This is more harder, so you can, if you are new to sharpening, this is your best to try on, because it's no dishing, you have a lot of property, you have a lot of stone to practice on. Okay, and it leaves also quite a good shiny edges. I'm still doing minimization pass because I can feel some burr slip side. Sharpening is easy, deburring is, it's if you are not careful, you will end up with a dull knife. That's the deburring process that you need to make sure the longevity of your knife will stay sharp, because the burr is, it's like an imposter. When you are fully apexing and you do your minimization pass, the burr stays straight, it acts like a false edge. I can say it false edge, but when you cut it, when the burr is moved, strip off from the apex, it will leave to you with a dull surface. So you need to get it clean before you find your edge. So now I got crispy edge. Cut this one more time, same paper. A little bit catch there, but don't worry. Yeah. Push cut. Yep. If I stop it, it will be better, right? You see the edge. I like the finish on this. Yeah, the same like King Neo, quite hazy, but starting to put a mirror on your blade. Certain angle it will reflect, give you a nice reflection, but straightforward is only hazy. Certain angle you can see the reflection, right? That's all, everybody. Gritomatic silicone carbide 1000 grit with fish scar, an English Asian chef cook knife. Zulu Kilo signing out. This is 1 micron CBN. So let's see after this. Oh wow. This is a rough side of the leather. I usually use smooth side of leather, and this is only for kitchen knife, so don't bother. For customer, I don't use this. I use my own sawing leather I got from Northwest Knife Guy. Right. Shiny, shiny. Wipe it off. And one more time. Paper cut test. I love doing paper cut tests. Don't you? Okay. Yes to go. Better, right? Nice, man. Yeah, towards the end. But you can cut. Just a tip. By the way, this is a carbon copy paper, so it is thin. So yeah, if you can cut this, you can cut food. Sorry. Right, signing out. Zulu Kilo signing out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. If you have a friend that like a sharpening video, share it to him. Shout out. Zulu Kilo signing out. Bye, guys.